Welcome to the Marstech Venus installation tutorial. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary tools and a secure location ready. Homes with solar panels can add a Venus E to store excess energy, balance usage peaks/valleys, and maximize electricity savings. First, let's demonstrate the floor installation of the Venus E. Remove the protective cardboard from the top and sides, then take out the accessories, universal casters, wall mount brackets, grid connection cables, screws, and more. With the protective foam wrap in place, carefully invert the unit. Install the 4 pulley assemblies according to the pre-drilled holes. Secure the 4 universal casters. Plug the aviation connector of the grid cable into the Venus's grid port and connect the other end to the wall outlet. The Venus will power on automatically once the outlet is energized. The electrical panel wiring layout is shown in the diagram. Switch off the main breaker to prevent shocks. Marstech Venus works with multiple smart meters for real-time home energy monitoring. We'll demonstrate wiring and setup using the CT002. Insert the current transformer's plug terminal into the IA port. Release the fixing clip. Loosen the VA/VN terminal screws. Align the CT002 with the rail and press the clip to secure it. Connect a neutral wire from any branch terminal to the VN port. Connect a live wire from any branch terminal to the VA port. Clip the current transformer onto the live wire of the meter output, ensuring the arrow inside aligns with the meter's output direction. Turn the main grid circuit breaker back on. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled and connected. Tap the plus icon, select Bluetooth search. Then choose CT002 from the results. Set a custom name. Enter Wi-Fi name and password to connect. CT002 pairing is complete. And once configured, the CT002's Wi-Fi indicator will light up and the app's Bluetooth/Wi-Fi icons will turn green. Repeat the process to add the Venus to the network. Select the pre-configured Marstech CT002 and choose one of the 3 operating modes. You can modify the mode later as needed. A white indicator light will illuminate on the Venus device once pairing is complete. Self-consumption mode prioritizes solar energy for household use. storing surplus in the battery instead of selling it to the grid. Excess after self-use can be fed back to the grid. The animation below demonstrates 4 scenarios. AI optimization mode. When the operating mode is switched to AI optimization mode, Venus self-learned solar storage load price data AI optimized energy flow. In manual mode, you can configure up to 10 non-overlapping time slots. Tap any slot to set the time, charge/discharge status, power level, and schedule. The switch is turned off by default. Toggle it on to activate your settings.